So today what I'll be doing is I will be creating an app, okay, that will be صدقة جارية for me and for you inshallah. So yeah, let's get into it. I wrote a prompt. So the first thing so let me give you some context first, okay? I'm not a developer. I know a little bit about code, about how stuff work, but I don't have deep knowledge. I never coded an app before. I never did that. What I did is I vibe coded an app. So vibe coding means you use AI to develop an application without you like knowing what you're doing. Okay. So yeah, I thought I created an app for a mosque, and so basically the idea of the app is like in the mosque we have two monitors, okay, connected to one PC, to one computer. We use that computer to display the prayer times each day. Okay, so at the beginning we were switching like each day we make one image per day. Okay, so 365 images. We make them in Photoshop, export them all, and then each day we display one. Like we click on the picture, full screen, and then we display it in the monitors. I will show you an example on how it looks like. Yeah, and then I decided to some other guy made an app that made it easier for us, but still, still we had to make all the images. So and we had to replace every 30 days. But what I did is I created an application that you give it a CSV, you give it one picture, one background, and then like you put everything like in a canvas, you place the prayer times, and then you're done for the whole year or 5 years or whatever. I will show you the application later. Now, let me show you like the picture, how it looks like. So that's how it looks like. Okay, so like every day you change the dates, okay, right here, and then you change also the prayer times based on the CSV we have. Okay, we have a CSV, the like exact prayer time each day. Okay, for 5 prayers. We have the CSV for the whole year. What we do is like, so this is me when I'm editing. The voice is not working for some reason. So yeah, what I was saying is I had to make those images each day, like one image per day for that specific. You know what I'm saying. And then and then like display each picture every day. So I can make them I can batch make, for example, you can make 30 in one set, and then like I can display them throughout the month. And so that's what we used to do. And the other thing I remember I was saying in these videos, I had an idea to make two posts instead of having those on the screen. We can have Instagram posts or Facebook. No, I mean Facebook stories and Instagram stories. Each day for the prayer times. So I had the idea to use anything and like run a scenario every day, every 24 hours. It will take the image from a Google Drive and then post it in a story. So we'll have 365 images. Each time it will take one of them, like depends on the day, and then it will post it in the story. And I had and then I said, no, let's make a better app. So I don't have to make the whole like. I don't need to make like 365 images, and then anyone can monitor what's going on in the stories and that stuff. So enjoy the rest of the video. It will look that up in the Google Drive, and then it will upload it to the page. That's good, but I want to do something better. So this is the prompt. Let's read together. So I will give you a brainstorm of this is a prompt, okay, for ChatGPT. I will give you a brainstorm of an app I want to develop. Keep in mind I'm a noob and I don't know how to code. Okay, so that's important for the AI. So it doesn't tell me like do this technical stuff, but I don't know what it's talking about. I'll be relying on vibe coding tools. Okay, such as Google AI Studio and Cursor. That's what we are going to use to develop the app. I want you to read everything I wrote and then ask me questions so you have a clear idea of the app and give me a master clear description of the app. So what I want to do is, I have an idea, I have the features I want to build, but I don't know how to convey them yet. Okay, so what I want to do, go to AI, give it everything. Okay, so you can look at me. Up. I want to give it to the AI so we can read it, okay? And then, so it can read everything. And then I want it to structure the idea. And then, okay, I won't take everything and then give it to a vibe coding tool. No, I will give the principle, okay? I will build like the infrastructure and then I will keep adding features, okay? So, yeah, but in the beginning, you're fine. You can just give it everything, you know. So I want to develop an app for Facebook and then used for mosques. The main feature I'm looking for is the ability to post story every day that contains the prayer times of that day. Each day at Isha time, the story of the next day will be posted. Okay, so for example, right now is 11:07, okay, p.m. Let's say the Isha time is at 8 p.m. Okay, example. I want at 8 p.m. the prayer times of the next day, in this case the 19th, will be posted. Okay, so in the 8 p.m. okay, in the Isha time, prayer time, because when someone finish prayer, for example, someone finishes prayer and then they want to see the subh, when right after they finish the Isha prayer, they can go to their phone and then see the next day. Okay, it doesn't make sense to post it at midnight or something like that. Okay, so what makes sense is to post it at Isha time. I want to user to be able to upload CSV of the prayer times. The user then will upload a background image, okay, and then open an image editor where we talked about that. The user will be able to preview the story and download it before even posting it like publicly. I want the user to be able to link the Facebook page so the app can post. Yeah, if it's hard, then we can do API keys or something like that. So because I don't know the technical stuff, because I never made an app that connects to Facebook page. Okay, that's new for me. So I'm making that clear in the story. Yeah, let's try it. So the first thing, as you can see, if the idea is not quite clear, just follow up with me and see how I like progress through this. So the first thing we can do is go to ChatGPT. You can go to Cloud, whatever. For me, I use ChatGPT because it has context about me and both other stuff that I built. Hopefully, yeah. Why the connection is so slow? What is this? So paste like this. Okay, let's go. Nice, let's go. Got it. Will one mosque, one account, or one user manage multiple Facebook pages, mosques? Is this app meant for only your organization or susp? That's a good question. So as you can see now, ChatGPT is asking me questions. So for me to be clear on my side what I'm doing, and also for the AI to know like what I want and it can help me. Another thing, look, this is very important. When you try to build something in the beginning, don't try to make it perfect, okay? Lay the foundation. For example, in this case, I am building it for us, but I want it to be available for everybody else, okay? For anyone, any mosque can set up an account and then use what is called the app. So here it's asking that, okay? So I will tell you that I want to have one account for each mosque, okay? Okay, so I will answer at the same time, okay? So, one. As you can see, it's suggesting me to do stuff. For example, here, are prayer times fixed, or should the app even calculate them automatically based on the location? Okay. So as you can see, calculation adds complexity. That's a cool idea. Okay. What if a mosque doesn't have like the prayer times in a CSV, I should give them the option to do it automatically, like calculation plus stuff based on location. No, chill. That's later. Okay, that's later. Now, in the mosque I'm making this for, they have a CSV. I have a CSV right here. I can test the app. I can work with it. That's what I need. Later, okay, if I want to develop the app, I will do whatever I want. As you can see, I finished everything, okay? 19 questions, okay? Some of them I know the answer to, some of them I don't. Either way, I will have more context. And then I will show you how I will be vibe coding this from scratch. So I'll do this in two parts. Very short clarification only was still, and then a master. Okay, final clarifying questions. Okay, now it has more questions. CSV does each row represents one day with columns like. As you can see, it also give me a description, a purpose. So this is master description. I don't know if it will give me a short one to give to, because let's go to AI Studio, I think. Okay, AI Studio. This is, I think, a new thing from Google. It's free. Why not? Sorry for screaming, but yeah. Can choose model, whatever. Gemini 3. I don't know which is better, but success definition. Explicit will not calculate. Give me a simple prompt to give to Google AI Studio to start building. Let's go, brothers. So yeah, I told him to give me a simple thing. You are senior product manager, whatever. So I'll copy this. I didn't even read it. Ideally, you should read this. Maybe there are some stuff you want to edit, but yeah, I'll make sure it's copied properly. Okay. Whoop. Okay. Boom. Build. Now it will start building the app. Okay. It will take some time, so I will be back. Okay. But for now, yeah, I will show you how it will be. So let's talk a little bit. So the way I do it is I use this to build, because like the AI is very good when it comes to the front end. Okay, for designing the app, making it like seamless. And then like when I build the main stuff right here, what I will do is I will extract the code and host it in GitHub. I only knew about GitHub 15 days ago. Okay, so GitHub, I didn't know how it worked. Now I know a little bit because I had to vibe code another app. So now, as you can see, let me move this. As you can see right here, it's building. Okay, it's creating the files for the app and everything. So yeah, once I have like a basic stuff right here, I will move it to another tool called Cursor. Cursor is like basically just a developing app, okay, like VS Code, but it has a chat interface. When you type something, it makes changes, okay? So instead of me doing the changes, going to the files, writing code, I don't know any of that stuff. Basically, what Cursor does is you tell it what you want, and it makes the changes for you. It's basically like, it's like a slave, okay? But it's a good one. It's very fast, doesn't sleep. Very good slave. One day what I did is I had my PC and my laptop, okay? I was vibe coding two apps at the same time. I give a prompt right here, it's working. I go to the other computer. I check the changes. Okay, that's good. This is an error. Tag, give it a prompt. Go to the other one. This is working. Go to the other one. Check the output. Oh my God, look. Nice. I didn't expect it to be this fast, but that's good. نظرة عامة حالة النشر التلقائي والمواقيت الحالية. Okay, the text is a little bit okay. Now I made it a little bit bolder. So أهلا بك مسجد الفلاح. أسد مسجد الفلاح. لوحة التحكم، رفع مواقيت، تصميم قصة. Nice. As you can see, this is a story. Okay, it will look like this. Nice, it has a picture already. Woo! رابط صفحة فيسبوك. Oh my god, nice. اسم المسجد، بريد إلكتروني. Nice. The time zones right here. سجل. Nice. Nice. Good job. Here you can design each. Nice. That's good. That's very good. Nice. Now what I will be doing is متصل بفيسبوك. نعم. It's lying, but let's go back to the. Nice. Okay. Let's me. What is the? تحميل نموذج. Let's. تحميل نموذج معين. Let's try to download. I don't know if it will work. حفظ تصميم. تحميل. But either way, now we have user interface of like how the app will look like. Okay, so we'll have settings right here. We can link the page, log. We have تسجيل خروج. Nice. Okay, it even made the. Nice. So what I will do is I will go to. I don't know what to do right here. I don't know like where to go next. Okay. Simplify Facebook integration even more. I gave the prompts to Google. As you can see, it says beginner's mistake is they try to make everything work like right from the jump. You are building one working data logic output. What this means? Pick one feature to make it real. Okay, ignore Facebook and automation, ignore scheduling. When I upload CSV, design a template, I can generate correct image. Okay, that can be a good starting point. Okay, so the first thing I can focus on is let's make the product right here is the image. Okay, the image that will be posted. So what we need to do is make the app needs to be able to make the what is called like the picture or the story as I want it to be. Okay, so that's the first feature I can focus on. Make how long? Okay, 28 minutes. Make CSV upload actually work. Okay, that's the second thing. As Google Studio. Nice. I have the UI where a user uploads a CSV file and maps columns to prior times. Okay. So in this case, it says, as you can see here, there is like, it's like I need the information needs to be stored in database. For example, prayer times in this case. Okay. Like each mosque, when someone uploads the CSV needs to be stored. Okay. So I'll ask you a question. Before running prompts to. Well, do I need to figure out database connection or no? Okay. So yeah, for Supabase, I don't know if I have room for another project. Three things. Short answer is yes, but once you do not need to design table manually, write SQL code. Okay, I will copy this. Okay, I will copy this prompt to the here. Okay, so what I want to do, and then I can go to Supabase, and then what I will be doing is I will yeah, create a project for this app. I don't know if I can do that. I don't know. I think I can do that here. Okay, I will create a new project, and then because I need the okay, I will give it the prompt for now because I need so like a database to connect to. I cannot like boom. So I will let the AI work. As you can see right here, it's creating the structure of the tables. Okay, so we have mosque profiles. Okay, prayer times, security, politics. I don't know for what politics, but it seems that we have a new stuff made, but I don't know. رفع المواقيت. I will upload. I think this. Where is? Maybe this one. تاريخ الظهر. As you can see here, there is a. For example, let me show you this. In the CSV that I have, okay. As you can see, I have day, month, number. So I will copy an example right here. So I have the number of the day and then the month in Arabic. Okay, so I'll upload it. I have the number. So I told him like in my CSV, okay, I'm working off the data I have, okay. So now I'm telling it like what I have. It will edit this in order to make it easy for me to upload my CSV and work off it. Nice, as you can see, look, it made the change. If I go to here, click here, select, as you can see, I can select the day from here. Let's try to save. اسماء الشهور واليوم صحيحة. Okay, so what I will try to do is I'll make it much simpler. So what I will do is I will show it my CSV. Okay, where is the CSV I have? Nice. Okay, I give it an example. So month number like this, and then the prayer times. Yeah. So now the AI will make changes according to how I have the CSV. I know I said this a lot of times, but yeah, that's what happens when you develop, especially when you don't know what you're doing. So this is Supabase. So let me explain to you what is Supabase. Supabase is basically like it's a database. It's not a database. It's like it's a web solution, okay, that has database, file storage, ability to like have logins, all that stuff, like the everything you need to build your app in one place. It's beautiful, and the amazing part, it's free. So it's not like 1000% free, but the free tier is amazing. So yeah, I see changes, smart separation, safety checks, better error message. Okay, now let's try to upload again. Upload this. شهر, month, number, Fajr. Bruh, not authenticated. I got error. Also, make sure when I map a field, it shows properly. So as you can see, like when I map something right here, like it doesn't show right here. It doesn't show. So okay, look, there is here, but there is nothing. So it like, what is this nonsense? So like I'm trying to see, like, do this. I'm trying to like to say what's happening. Okay, so if you don't know how to code, what you need to explain to the AI what you want, like in details, okay, clear details. That's why from the beginning you need to have clear idea what you're doing, okay, what you're building, what are your goals. Focus on one feature at a step, at once. Right now I am focusing on this one feature, uploading CSV at once, okay. So it's saying, look, there is a status thing is you can do this, you can see errors. Okay, so what I will do right now, okay, I don't think it's good to continue right here. What I will do is I will click on here, save to GitHub. Okay, I will say prayer times story. Okay, v0 virgule private. Okay, create. So because I already connected GitHub to my Google account, that's why I can do it directly. Yeah, for you, what you need to create an account and give it. So I will stage and commit all changes. What that means is you stage and commit. Okay, exactly. Commit that means like commit. Like I don't know what it is. So now if I go to the beautiful app cursor, beautiful app. By the way, it's paid. There is a free bro, hey, close this. Hey. This is another app I'm building. Hey. So I go to create new. How do I close this project? So by the way, cursor is paid. It has a free plan. Okay, you test it and you see, oh my god, this app is very good, and then they tell you to pay. So I select it, as you can see, the repo, and then I will yeah, do it here almost. No. Let me do it. They tell you the. So this is the password of the app or the Mac. Okay, so you know, because I went crazy trying different passwords, I thought it was GitHub password, but no, it was for the stupid app, stupid Mac. And yeah, as you can see, so this is the app. Okay, so I will tell the agents. I'll go to plan mode, and then I build this MVP, or I started building this MVP was crazy on it. So I give it a little, like the prompt is not very good, but why I gave it this prompt, because it already has the project. Okay, so what I will do is what it will do is, like as you can see, it says exploring. It's exploring everything. Okay, it's exploring the whole app, and then it will ask me questions. Do you want to provide your URL and okay now, so I can convert them for you, or you want to handle it? I will provide them now in the chat. Which polish filters you want to like for auto mapping, for common headers, drag and drop support for files, better time, days, validation, all of the above. Drag and drop support for files. Okay, let's do this. Or let's do this. Something very. So now it will write a plan for me, and then it will start executing it, as you can see. Plan, Supabase configuration, account creation, polish, CSV, validate, database schema, all that stuff. So I don't know what it is, but let's build. Okay, now it will start making some changes, and then I can start, like I review, and then I give it a prompt. It will work. I review like this. Okay, so it has been 57 minutes since we started this project, but as you can see how cursor works. I give it a prompt, it's working. Right now it has a plan, as you can see, it has a checklist right here. It's working, and then when it's finished, it tells me, hey, I finished. And yeah, for example, I am not a developer. I don't know like how to test apps or how to open them. Like you see these files, I don't know how to open the app. What I do is just like let's run the app so I can test it. Okay, and then it can run like codes. run commands. It will run the commands, the app will pop up, and then I can start testing it. So for now, as you can see, it's finished. This is account creation. There is a sign up page, routine, login integration, all that stuff, polish CSV, design, Supabase integration. You can now use environment file credentials, okay, created in your project root. So here, as you can see, I will post, for example, your unknown key and then Supabase, okay. So I post the credentials right here. Okay, so I will, let's go to here. Project ID. I don't know how to get the, so I really don't remember how to get the stuff, but yeah, I will try. How to get Supabase project URL. Okay. Project settings API. Project settings API. Don't look at this.
To find project your preferred project setting, the API, your project API keys, as well as your project API secret key.
Okay, we go to data API, and then you see the unknown.
Now you know how to find project URL.
And then this is the URL, okay. So let me hide this, because I don't want you to... So either way, I will post the URL in front of you. So this is the URL. Whoop, nice. And then the unknown. Okay, as you can see here, I said I pasted the Supabase things, so I can test it. Okay, because like it cannot run these queries. So this is tables. Where is me? Okay, this is me. These are queries for the tables to run in Supabase. Okay, to create tables in the database, and then yeah. So it didn't do this because it didn't have the. Now, as you can see, it's running the app. Okay, if I what is the yeah. Oh, also there is another thing is there is something called MCP. Okay, so what I can do is I can link my Supabase accounts with the cursor, and then it can do stuff for me. It can create stuff. Okay, instead of me going to Supabase doing stuff, it can do stuff for me. So yeah, that's very good. Yeah. Okay, let's check. Let's go to Supabase. Okay, go to the database and see if there is any tables. No tables yet. So what I will do is I will do something very important. The important thing is I will go to MCP. So I will open a new chat and I'll say, help me install another project. So as you can see, I don't need to figure out stuff. Okay, I can just ask. Okay, ask it to do it for me, or if not, I can ask it to teach me how to do it. Like do this, do this, do this. Okay, like given my current context. So right now we recorded for 56 minutes. Okay, you will also need service role key. So as you can see, what it said to me is like basically create an MCP, do this, do this. So what I will try to do is here is my secret code. Create the MCP for me. Okay, give it everything so it can do it for me. So I'll take this off screen because this is very sensitive data. So what I did is again I mapped the CSV file and said like do it for me. Hopefully it will work. Except yeah, as you can see I have a bunch of them right here, but I want it to do it for me, to create the tables and then open MCP. I'm giving it instructions. So instead of doing everything manually, I give it what to do. I tell it what to do. If sometimes it just doesn't have access, so you give it access. You tell it this, here you go, I give you access, do this. And then it runs everything for you. Okay? Okay, it opened up, look, as you can see. Because it's hosted locally, you just opened it. It's not working properly, I don't know why, but yeah.
Supabase is great, leading to constant and integrates well with AI in Supabase. You'll see the query tool added all. With this instead, we ran the start working for Claude Desktop or Windsurf provided.
So I found the solution is to go to this page, okay, and then everything, add to cursor, it will add it to your cursor, easy. So yeah, let's go back. So I run the queries, shows that I can open this now. When I open screen, okay, tell it what is the issue. Sometimes I remember like I developed an app, I did it twice, okay, so what was happening is like I started, everything is going fine, and then I guess I got something like this, I couldn't fix it. Stupid errors or something like that. What I did is I started from the beginning, okay? Because if the foundations are not right, just throw it. But if it's a simple error, probably like this, then yeah, it probably can be fixed. Yeah, مسجد. Let's say مسجد الفلاح. I don't see the. Okay, so there is an issue. Like when I write something, it doesn't show up. Like it's white text on white text. So nice. Communicated the issue of having. Okay, now it's working. Nice. You see, fixed. Boom, fix. What is this? I know the voice is too loud, but sorry. Okay, it's 12:15 a.m. I'm very tired. I'll finish this and I'll go sleep. Go. The cool, fun thing about vibe coding is like you don't get to sleep. Like when you go to sleep, you are thinking, what I'm going to the next. Yeah. مسجد. Let's just مسجد الفلاح. So that's my that's my. So let's go to the Supabase and see if. Okay, give it the error. Maybe I'll do something without recording, but for now, I think that's it. So today what we did is basically we got clear on the idea with ChatGPT. We got the first UI, and then we fixed some errors. We connected the database. We connected the MCP so we can work with the Supabase very fast. Let's check for the last time. Okay, let's send password. So yeah, let's leave it at this because this problem don't end. So yeah, that's it. For now, I'm having issues with the configuration of like sign in, sign up, all that stuff, email confirmation. In this episode, what we did is, we had like basic understanding of the app and how it will look like. Now we are configuring feature by feature until we have the app working. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I know no one will watch this, but thank you for the Jin who will watch this. Yeah, take care.